Why does your scanner show the P076A engine code? What does it mean? P076A is a diagnostic trouble code for a problem with the Shift Solenoid H within the transmission system. This engine code indicates that the Transmission Control Module, TCM, has detected an issue with the electrical circuit or functionality of Solenoid H. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty shift solenoid H. Transmission valve body issues. Transmission slipping. Fluid issues. Faulty PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code is a generic diagnostic trouble code for transmission issues that can be found in various vehicles equipped with automatic transmissions, including Dodge, Toyota, Volkswagen, Mazda, Honda, Ram, Ford, Hyundai, Lexus, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.